In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Webflow website. Cloning a site in Webflow is really helpful when you want to reuse an existing design, test changes safely, or create a backup before making big updates. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step and explain what each option means so you can decide exactly what to copy over. First, go ahead and log into your Webflow account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all of your projects or sites are listed. Find the site you want to clone. You'll see its name and URL listed in a row on the dashboard. On the right-hand side of that row, look for the More Options icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots. Click that icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several actions you can take on the site. Look for the option that says Duplicate and click it. As soon as you choose Duplicate, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you decide exactly what settings you want to copy over to the new clone site. You'll see options for hosting settings, SEO settings, and integration settings. Each option will have a checkbox to the left. If you want your new clone site to share the same hosting configuration as the original, make sure the hosting settings box is checked. If you're planning to keep similar page titles, meta descriptions, and overall search engine setup, you'll also want to check the SEO settings box. Finally, if you rely on third-party tools, tracking codes, or other connected services, you should check the integration settings box as well. If there's anything you prefer to configure from scratch, simply leave that box unchecked. Take a moment to review your choices. When you're happy with what will be copied to the new site, click the button labeled Duplicate Site. Webflow will now start the process of cloning your project with the settings you selected. After you click, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small notification pop up that says something along the lines of Site duplication started. You will get an email when it finishes. That message confirms that Webflow is working in the background to create your clone. You don't need to stay on that screen, and you can continue working on other projects while it completes. Once the duplication is done, you'll receive an email from Webflow, and the clone site will appear in your dashboard as a separate project. From there, you can safely edit, experiment, or customize it without affecting your original website.